Come join me and my Mexican friend as we make stuffed Mexican meatballs, or albóndigas, rellenas, and salsa. First, she made a puree of onions, garlic, tomatoes, and chipotles. Blend that up until it's nice and smooth and pour it into a large pot where the meatballs are going to go. Then she added some chicken bouillon, a couple of bay leaves, and some mint. Now for the meatballs. Take half an onion and chop it really coarsely. Add it to the blender along with 2 eggs and blend that up, and then set that aside. Now add the meat. We're using ground pork and ground beef. I think that makes the best meatballs. Add that to a very large bowl, and then a cup of uncooked rice. Now add the onion and egg puree back to the meat. Add some salt and blend that with your hands until it's nice and combined. Now we had some hard-boiled eggs. We're using 8, and she put them in halves. I found this made really big meatballs, so I would suggest cutting the eggs into quarters. Now grab a handful of meat and wrap it around the egg in as nice a ball as you can, and then gently lower it into the sauce that is simmering on the stove. Cover the pot and simmer that for about 20 minutes. A typical side dish for those that are not living a low-carb lifestyle would be rice with some vegetables in it, and then served with tortillas. So she makes the rice by searing it first, adding the liquid, adding the vegetables, and cooking it up. Serve with some tortillas and limes, and enjoy!